video. Please excuse my voice. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Nothing's hurting. I just have had a little bit of a cough and sort of like a laryngitis, but not really, if that makes any sense. So I won't be doing a lot of live talking on the camera today, but I'll do a voiceover for you then and kind of walk you through whatever I'm doing. I am going to be decorating a little bit for fall today. It's finally September. I gotta say I have not quite had this fall spirit yet because of, well, Florida for one, it's pretty hot here. And just with all the other stuff we've had going, I just really haven't felt the urge to decorate. But I decided this is the week. The girls went to the babysitter this morning. They hadn't been there in a couple weeks and they were so excited. Oakland counts down the nights when she knows she's gonna go. So anyway, I thought I would take advantage of a quiet house, do it at a leisurely pace, take down a few things, and then add in some fall decor. So I'm not gonna go over the top this year, but just a little bit. May show you guys some fun new fall pieces that I picked up as far as clothing wise. I was thinking about making like a pumpkin syrup. I'm not really sure yet. May throw in a meal or something. I don't really know where the video will take me, but I hope you enjoy it. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'd love that. My name is Lynette. I live in Sarasota, Florida. So let's get right into the video. So this is a look at how it's looking for the last probably half year, ever since Christmas, really. Sometimes I'll tweak things in between, but I don't do as much of the seasonal decorating since moving to Florida. If you're new here, I love decorating and I've loved it for years and years. I've also done it for other people, some design jobs and things like that. So I do like to dabble in it, and I love making our house a home. So decided to just take down a few things, switch them out, and it's something that's so easy to do, especially if you have like staple pieces that you can just switch out. I love switching out art. Sometimes you can just switch out prints in the actual frames themselves. Sometimes it's pillows. There's lots of great pillow cover options. I love doing that. I will try to link some things in my description box. Also follow me on LTK at Lynette Yoder. I have a lot of different things there, inspiration for you. But something about this time around is that I didn't buy anything for fall. I bought a little lamp here a couple weeks ago, but I wasn't necessarily doing it for fall. I just wanted it because it was like an olive green, and I love green. I have it throughout my home and stuff. And so I got that one at Target, and I did end up using it today on my shelf then. But really, I just didn't feel terribly inspired, or I didn't feel like I needed anything new. Plus, I knew that I wanted to keep it pretty pared down this time around. So just know that you don't have to spend a lot of money, or even any money, if you already have some fall stuff and you want to just, you know, make your house a little bit more festive. It's always fun to add in a few pieces. Last year I added in some things, but it's fun to collect things as you go. Maybe try to look for things that are a little less trendy in a sense, things that can last you for years and years. I love having more natural elements, like dried eucalyptus leaves, the ones that are like the red-orange color. I did pick up a little tree from IKEA back in January, I think. So I guess that could be a new fall piece, but it's been so long since I bought it. So I enjoy switching things out. Have a Samsung frame TV here above the mantle, and we just redid our fireplace mantle situation last fall. If you remember that, I had incorporated with fall decor and stuff, but we have had the Samsung frame for probably 3 years, but we really like it. It's something that it is a bit of an investment, but as you can see, it doesn't just have to be a big black box. We got the wood trim to go around it, and then you can download super inexpensive art from Etsy, or they even have a little bit on the TV itself. But I really do like it, and this is a 65-inch just for reference. last year I got a few new stems. I'm trying to remember where I got them. I think maybe I got one piece or so from Crate and Barrel, and then I also have some other pieces that I had gotten, like for instance Michael's, or I think maybe Home Goods. I'm not really sure anymore, but I'll see if I can find links for any of it. Some of it's probably not available anymore. This shelf is called the caliper shelf from Article, and I'd gotten it as a staging piece for a house that we had renovated as a flip house, and I am using it here in the house. Still sounding a little hoarse. I'm done with my fall decorating. I didn't do anything outside, and I may pick up a few real pumpkins as the season goes on. It's still pretty early here for real stuff. We'll see about that. But I did add just a little bit in the main area. Shouldn't take me too long to show you guys, but I didn't go all out. I didn't even buy anything this year, I don't think. And yeah, I just kept it really simple. So let me show you what I've got.
decided to make a homemade pumpkin syrup to put in my coffee drinks. I found it on Pinterest and it's actually really good. It's made with like brown sugar, pumpkin, I think a little bit of regular sugar and water, and then some spices. I actually made my own pumpkin pie spice as well because I was out of that particular one, but you can easily make it yourself. It turned out really good. It wasn't hard to make. You just cool it and then you have it in a pint size jar, or you can put it in another pretty jar that, you know, is like a pitcher style thing, but I think it tasted really good and I'll show it later in my coffee that I made. I also decided to try some copycat Starbucks pumpkin cream cheese muffins that I found on Pinterest as well. I didn't quite do it how they suggested it. I doubled the cream cheese part of it because someone else had said it's not nearly enough, and I would agree. But then I think that I should have maybe not put quite as much cream cheese in because they baked a little different than what their recipe looked like. But they were maybe not, you know, 10 out of 10 stars in my opinion, but I'll try to link the recipe in the description box for you. So in keeping with the fall theme, I made a pumpkin cold foam that also came from Pinterest, just a recipe I found, and it's really easy to do. It made around enough for like 2 coffee drinks, so I gave one to Nick as well. I'm still working on the ratios though for this drink in particular, but I brewed 2 shots of espresso, used a little bit of my pumpkin syrup that I made, and ice, and then a little bit of either regular milk, half and half, whatever you prefer, and then you put the cold foam on top, and it is actually pretty good. I need to work on the ratios, like I said. So felt pretty fall and festive to me. Alright, so I thought I would show you a few pieces that I picked up lately from Amazon. I'm probably not going to show them all because I'm short on time, but I had been eyeing this shacket even last year. Well, I say a shacket, but I don't think it actually is. It's more of just a oversized flannel shirt, and they have a lot of different patterns in this particular style. And they had it on sale for around $14 or $15, so I grabbed it, and I will link it below. I don't know if it'll still be on that sale, but they had like a coupon you could clip. It's just like a nice oversized. I'm probably not going to get to wear it very much. We do have an Ohio trip planned this fall though, so maybe I can wear it there. I would fold up the sleeves probably. It's a really nice one. I'm going to insert a picture of me wearing this, but I don't have time to put it on today, but I wanted to show you this. This is from Old Navy, and I thought it was so pretty. The sleeves are long, but they can easily be pulled up to, you know, elbow length, and this is a great even winter piece or all weather, like all year round. I don't feel like it's just fall. I've seen quite a few different like royal blue things come out lately, and I really liked this. So I just got this recently. And then a few more sweaters. I got this emerald green one. This is also from Old Navy. It was a pretty good price, so I grabbed that one. It's a good winter piece. And then this is a slightly oversized button down with V-neck. It's really good quality. I probably could even go to an extra small. This is in a size small, but it's fairly heavy. And it was, I think, in the $20 to $30 range maybe. So I'm going to try it on again and decide if I for sure want this size. If not, I could return it because it's Amazon. So really pretty. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed filming it and I'm really happy with how it all turned out. And tonight I'm actually planning to go do a little bit of shopping with my friend. She's going to help me with some opinions on dirt for my raised beds and such. So I'm excited about that. We'll maybe do some plant shopping, things like that. So yeah, looks like it'll be a fun night, but I need to get changed and get ready because she's going to be here in a little bit. We're taking the girls along and the boys are going with Nick to a church cleanup outside around the premises. So we're kind of doing our separate things tonight. Might meet up for dinner later, but that's pretty much going to call it a day today. The girls had fun at Gina's house. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.